Thank you for taking interest in another product from Fehr Cab Interiors. Today we're going to be working on a Case International 7110 series headliner, and we're going to show the tips and demonstrations on how to install this product. First off, we're going to go over the different safety protection we might need for this project, as well as the tools we will need to accomplish it. First, we're going to remove this door sensor and the 3 screws that hold this rail up by the door. 3 Phillips head screws. Just remove the 3 screws and remove the rail. After that, we're going to remove the 6 screws that go around this control panel in the front. After that's completed, we're not going to remove it completely, we're just going to pull it out. There are 3 clips that go up here that hold the front of the headliner into place, so we're going to remove those 3 clips. After that, we're going to remove this side rail on the left hand side behind the door with a 7/16 driver. Once that's completed, we remove this air return vent in the back. Once all that's completed, we can remove the headliner. It's all free. Position this grill through the front here, this control panel through the opening. Slide it through and the headliner is now free to take out of the cab. Now's a good time to sweep it up thoroughly and do all that work. Now we're going to pop these speaker grills off, and we're going to reuse these on the new headliner, and remove these screw clips in the middle here as well, the 6 clips. Now we're going to reinstall these grills onto the new headliner. You'll notice with this fabric it's hard to keep it clean, so try to have clean hands when you're dealing with this. I use a tire to pop on these speakers. It's hard to get them in place without something to hold it in, support it on the back side. We're going to center these clips around the hole that are pre-drilled in here, using all to line them up, make sure they're nice and centered. After that's completed, we're going to pull the headliner into position, slide it through the opening in the door. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get it positioned, get this control panel pulled through this opening, so that's out of the way, so we can start positioning it into the right spot. We're first going to get it tucked underneath the rail on the right hand side, since there's no hardware to remove on this side. We're going to get it pushed back into place to where it's right. Then we're going to get it centered across the front here in this diameter on the front. We're going to line it up on the left hand side so we can hold it up into place while it's held in position. We're just going to put that up here for right now. We're going to quick pop this on in the back, this air return, so that way this is holding it up firmly on the sides. And now we're going to install these clips and make sure that they're nice and tight. Push them into place with the pliers. After all 3 are installed, we're going to install the side rail on the left hand side. We're going to go back and reinstall this rail on by the door here. Make sure the rail goes on behind the other metal flange. Tighten up all 3 screws. Tighten up this 9/16 door cylinder sensor. And then we're going to line up these holes with an awl to make sure these 6 screws are going in the proper spot and tighten them up. Best actually to just get them started, and then once you get them all started, go back and tighten them all up last. Clean up any handprints with any type of solvent cleaner. And we thank you from Fehr Cab Interiors for coming to visit us today, and we look forward to serving you.